Providing great customer support takes time, but what if a chat agent could handle it for you 24/7? In this video, I'm gonna break down a chatbot that provides customer support, and I have built it for a website named Jank11, like a demo, and I've added its URL to this chatbot's knowledge base. So let's go. The starting message, it reads and says, "How can I help you?" I've added a button, "I have a question," and after that, I've connected it to a message block that says, "Ask a question." I will use the knowledge provided to respond. Below it, I've added a capture block, and after that, I've connected it to these blocks, these three blocks that I've got from the knowledge-based respond workflow, and I deleted the two blocks that were here. And these blocks, this one optimizes the question, and this one classifies the language. And here it uses the knowledge base to create a response, and here it provides the response. And if it does not match the chunk, I've built this path for submitting a ticket to support. And here, for giving this response, I've added a message block that says, "Would you like to ask anything else?" and added two buttons. The first one is yes, and it's connected to this block for asking more questions. And all clear, if the user selects all clear, it's gonna end the conversation. And for this block, I've built a path that's gonna submit that ticket to the support. I've added message block that says, "Apologies, I couldn't find a relevant answer for your question. To ensure you receive the best assistance, I will have one of our representatives contact you via email." And after that, it says, "I'm gonna collect your information." And after that, it says, "Can I get your name?" After that, it's a capture block that gets the name, store the name to name variable. After that, it's a message block that says, "What's your email?" This capture stores the email to email variable. After that, here it confirms the name and email, and if the user confirm, it's gonna continue this way. And if no, it's gonna say no problem. You're gonna enter it again, and here it's connected to this block, so the user can put the name and email again. Here it thanks and says one of our support will reach out to you, and says goodbye. Here is a post API call, and here we're gonna send the email and name to a table base. Here is the base, name, email, status, and last modified. This one is extra. You can add it if you want. If not, that's okay. This URL, you can get it from a documentation. Here you can get it, and you can replace this port. For header, here two headers, authorization, and after that, barrier and API key. Get the API key. Here I'm in this base, and I click help. After that, API documentation. After that, authentication, create tokens, create a new token. I'm gonna give it a name, every scope here, and after that, add the base that I want to create API token for it. So after that, I'm gonna create the token, and that's it. Content type application JSON. For body, it's raw, and this is the request that we're gonna send, and this is based on this one. You can modify it as you want. Here I've added a trigger and intent. If the user wants to speak to a human, it's gonna say, "I understand that you want to talk to our representative," and after that, it's gonna take it to this block, and it will continue this way. So now let's test it. Let's say, for example, I have a question. Here is the response. If I say speak, it's gonna get you here. After that, if I an email, here you can see it's been created, and that's it. And just like that, your AI assistant is up and running, saving time and keeping customers happy. Got questions? Drop a comment. And if this helped, try to subscribe for more.